Hello guys, in this video I will continue the problems of 3D. First question, find the vector and Cartesian equation of a line passes through the points. Okay, let us say this is the line. First point, A point is 3 comma minus 2 comma minus 5. B point is 3 comma minus 2 comma 6. Now drs of AB is equals to x2 minus x1. 3 minus 3 is 0. Y2 minus y1 minus 2 plus 2. Z2 minus z1 6 minus of minus plus 5. So from here 0 comma 0 comma this is 11. drs of AB is 11. From here we can say drs of AB is 11. We have one drs and one point. First point consider. Okay, first point consider 3 comma minus 2 comma minus 5. We have one point x1 comma y1 comma z1 and drs a1 comma b1 comma c1. Then vector equation of a line is r bar is equals to a bar plus lambda times of b bar, where a is point and b is drs. Okay, so I am writing a is a point, so this is a point. R bar is equals to point is 3i minus 2j minus 5k bar plus lambda times of b bar. B bar is drs, right? Drs is we have 0i bar plus 0j bar plus 11k bar. This is the vector equation. Cartesian equation, x minus x1 by a1 is equals to y minus y1 by b1 is equals to z minus z1 by c1. Here Cartesian equation. So here from x minus x1 is 3 by a is 0 is equals to y minus y1 is minus of minus plus 2 by b1 is 0 is equals to z minus z1. z1 is minus of minus plus 5 by c1 is 11 is the Cartesian equation in vector form. That's all. Here line having drs a1 b1 c1 and here drs a2 b2 c2. Then angle between them is theta. Then what is the formula? Cos theta is equals to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by root over a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root over a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square mod. Okay, this is the angle between the two lines having drs. Okay, or else we can write a1 b1 c1 be the capital B1 vector and this is capital B2 vector. Okay, then cos theta can be written as B1 dot B2 by B1 magnitude into B2 magnitude is the cos theta angle between them. When we have a DCs L1 M1 N1 and this line is having L2 M2 N2 DCs, then angle between the line is theta. Then formula is cos theta is equals to L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 is the formula. When DCs are given, this is the formula. When DRs are given, this is the formula. We have a question, find angle between the lines. Okay, this line is this line r bar is equals to 2i minus 5j plus k bar plus lambda times of this is 3i minus 2j plus 6k, which is in the form of a bar plus lambda times of b bar, right? A1 b1. Next one more line, r is equals to 7i minus 6k plus mu times of I plus 2j plus 2k, here which is in the form of a2 plus lambda times of b2. Here this is b1, right? So b1 is equals, comparing, b1 is equals to 3i minus 2j plus 6k and here b2 is equals to drs, right? This is drs. b2 is equals to I plus 2j plus 2k. Whenever we need to find an angle between the two lines, we should only consider drs. Okay, we should consider only drs, not point. Now we have b1 and b2 angle between them is cos theta is equals to b1 dot product of b2 by b1 magnitude into b2 magnitude and throughout answer should be positive. That's the reason I'm putting a modulus. Here b1 modulus root over 3 square plus 2 square plus 6 square root over 3 3 is 9 plus 2 2 is 4 plus 6 6 is 36. Here root over 49. So b1 modulus is 7, and here b2 modulus is root over 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square 1 plus 2 2 is 4 plus 2 2 is 4. From here root 9 can be written as 3. So we have a b1 modulus is 7, b2 modulus is 3, and the dot product let us do now. b1 dot product of b2 is equals to 3i minus 2j plus 6k dot product of I plus 2j plus 2k bar, multiplying I coefficient, j coefficient, k coefficient. Okay, 3 1s are 3 minus 2 2s are 4 plus 2 6 are 12. 3 minus 4 is minus 1, minus 1 plus 12 is plus 11. So b1 dot product of b2 is equals to 11. From here angle between them is cos theta is equals to b1 dot b2 is equals to 11 by this is a b modulus is 7 into b2 modulus is 3. Cos theta is equals to 11 by 3 7 to 21. From here angle between them is cos inverse of 11 by 21. So this is the angle between them. That's all. This is the solution. Given these two are Cartesian lines, let us say this is x minus x1 by a1 is equals to y minus y1 by b1 is equals to z minus z1 by c1, and one more line is x minus x2 by a2 is equals to y minus y2 by b2 is equals to z minus z2 by c2. Here drs a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2. Compare this line with the line. A1 is equals to 2. Compare the second line with the second line. A2 is equals to minus 1. Okay. Next, B1 is equals to 5. B2 is equals to 8. C1 is equals to minus 3. C2 is equals to 4. So we have A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Angle between them is theta, let us say. Then cos theta is equals to, we have formula A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root over A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Cos theta is equals to A1 A2, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 5 4s 5 8s are 40, 3 4s are 12 minus 12 by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square, 2 2s are 4 plus B1 square is 5 5 is 25, C1 square is 3 3 is 9 into root over A2 square is 1 plus B2 square is 8 8 is 64 plus C2 square is 4 4 16. So the result will be minus 2 minus 12 is minus 14 plus 40 is 26. Okay, 26 by root over 4 plus 9 is 13 plus 25 root 38 into this is 65 plus 16 root over 81. So from here cos theta is equals to modulus of 26 by root 38 into root over 81 is 9, 9 9 is 81, right? So here theta is equals to cos inverse of 26 by 9 root 38 be the solution, angle between them. When two Cartesian lines are perpendicular to each other, let us say this is x minus x1 by a1 is equals to y minus y1 by b1 is equals to z minus z1 by c1, and this line is x minus x2 by a2 is equals to y minus y2 by b2 is equals to z minus z2 by c2. Both are perpendicular to each other, then the condition will be a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equals to 0. This is a perpendicular condition. Okay, now compare with this first form. Here in the question what is given 1 minus x by 3. So here we have x minus x1, x1 minus x, it's not x minus x1. So we are changing this question. Okay, take common here minus, so x minus 1 by 3 is equals to, here y coefficient we have in the formula 1, here we have 7, so 7 take common, y minus 2 7 is 14 by 2p is equals to z minus 3 by 2 by minus 3 is equals to, send it to the denominator term, y minus 2 by 2p by 7 is equals to z minus 3 by 2. Here we have x minus x1 by a1 is equals to y minus y1 by b1 is equals to z minus z1 by c1. Next, what we have in the question here, 7 take common and minus take common in the second. Minus 7 I took common, x minus 1 by 3p is equals to y minus y1 by b1, minus take common, z minus 6 by 5. So minus, send it to the hand side, denominator send it, x minus 1 by 3p by 7 is equals to y minus 5 by 1 is equals to z minus 6 by minus 5. So we have here in the form of x minus x1 by a1. So we have a1 is equals to minus 3, b1 is equals to 2p by 7, c1 is equals to 2. Similarly, a2 is equals to minus 3p by 7, b2 is equals to 1, c2 is equals to minus 5. Perpendicular condition, we have perpendicular condition, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equals to 0. So a1 into a2 minus 3 into minus 3p by 7 plus b1 is 2p by 7 into b2 is 1 plus c1 is 2 into minus 5 is equals to 0. 3 3 is a 9, minus 9p by 7 plus 2p by 7, 2 5 is a 10, minus 10 is equals to 0. Take LCM 7, so minus 9p plus 2p minus 70 by 7 is equals to 0. Send it to the right hand side, 7. So minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7, minus 70 equals to 0. 7p, send it to the right hand side, 7p is equals to minus 70, p is equals to 7 1 is 7, 7 minus 10, 7 10 70. So p is equals to minus 10. That's all. This is a solution.